Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Voxy Language Learning Software, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the official Voxy website using your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the download or get started button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Voxy. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Voxy website and log in. After logging in, navigate to the Download section again. Choose the version of the software compatible with your operating system. For Windows, click on the Download for Windows button. For Mac OS, select the Download for Mac option. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Systems folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. Select your preferred installation options as needed. Once the installation is finished, launch the Voxy software. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring the main features. Adjust your settings according to your language learning goals. Begin your language learning journey by selecting a course that interests you. Enjoy the process and make the most of the resources available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.